and it's white. You gotta follow it. You did it. You lose. Go home. Try again.
Understanding that women existed for a long time and they did stuff, making choices, doing things. It's a
really
crazy
it's only staying green for 2 seconds.
Like, there's all these big revolutions.
Yeah, no turn rod,
now,
which I don't really blame them, but still.
Other cultures and 100 different animal species, and then the common report is, well, yeah, there's infanticide and rape and all sorts of other stuff.
Red light run.
So we do social circles. You're not going to get accurate numbers. It's very tricky. Now we are in a society where it is more and more accepted to say, hey, I'm a little bit different. And it's
wait, what's that guy in the right turn lane?
With certainty, one of them has to be wrong. The issue is that neither of them would admit that they even can be wrong. Not about this anyway. Sir Isaac Newton said that Jesus
Straight from right
is
turn.
not the same person as God, and that this was revealed to him in divine revelation.
It's debatable.
Of Scripture.
Because on the roadway it says you can, I don't know.
Zillosaurus, such as what color it was, or what its reproductive peculiarities were, or the unique way that it would respond to certain stimuli. And I say subjects want to believe. Seemingly miraculous feats and visions occur in every faith because faith itself is the cause of them, rather than what a judicial court also overturned earlier rulings such that the state may now force non-Christian students to recite the Pledge of Allegiance.
Really?
So,
really? Yeah, second motorcyclist today. What a quinky-dink.
Every other field of science eventually, inevitably challenges the accuracy and authority of the storybooks that creationists equate to God. Creationism is a defense of mythology, not theology.
And as you can see, that lane does not end for forever, so come on. No need to do that.
Way, and you would face your serious social consequences if you said it. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense to me that now, after the
exit dive,
90s where it was like you're in a black hole. You wake up refreshed and you have a breakfast that's a little bit bigger than you should probably have. And
whoa, what the fuck?
It's freezing cold.
Yo, suck out that charger.
But it's kind of awesome.
A lot to do with it. The ability to slow things down is one thing. Also, I would like to mention
do not drive on shoulder. There's a big sign there that says it. And it's white. You gotta follow it. You did it. You lose. Go home. Try again. There'll be no more love for me to do. Red. No one. Usually there are a couple red light burners here. Oh. Really? Oh, what was that over there? Didn't know what lane you wanted.
You might see it that way.
Okay. So,
frog.
Again,
that was a frog.
And that is in the midst of Gorbachev making a tremendous effort with Ronald Reagan.
No stop.
Trying.
Maybe we can start with the public and Carl's colleagues. And you saw this firsthand, right?
That everything starts with the Genesis 1-1.
Holy fuck, you're close to that Nissan driver.
Up the old 7-layer system by adding a suborder, infraorder, superfamily, subgenus, and so on.
No
so
stop.
We can't even tell how to rank. Attempt to imply that all the diversity of life and all the phyla known today appeared simultaneously.
Nice cutoff. If you didn't have a trailer, you would have been fine, but nope. Red light, run.
A talk, have a talk with this person probably changed their mind and won't have enough or probably
whoa, what the fuck?
Decide to go through the pregnancy
That was
and
red.
give it away.
You almost got taken out by a truck.
Another huge challenge we have. The stupidest can of worms to open. But they're opening it.
Red light, run.
They're just going to crack in town that does a furry night. A gay bar that does a furry night. At least they used to.
No, stop.
We're just there.
As a business owner, I'm sure you the flexibility to change. It's inside partner integrations. Avalara likely integrates with the ERP and e-commerce systems you use today.
You can't do that. It's red.
That's what I mean when I say that systematic taxonomy reveals a series of superficial changes being slowly compiled atop compounded tiers of substratal similarities. This is what we consistently see in nature and in the fossil record.
That goes
It's not just evidence of a single unit.
Hey, do you see someone here, Screwbro? Really? No, stop. It's not very safe. Really? Yeah, we could not cut people off. Everybody look at your Huns. What the fuck? Really? Is he gonna make it? No, he won't! No, stop. And there was a car right there.
It's possible not to believe in God. I knew that atheists existed, but I didn't know what an atheist really was.
It's red.
I was told that atheists secretly believed in God, but
Studio. I noticed that it is going to be a great reference book. People can turn
red light,
to
run.
chapter.
And I think that's a Nissan driver.
Phones and skip to what?
centuries later, creationists would deny that such attitudes came from pious
No,
Christians,
stop.
but say instead that they were caused by belief in
No, stop.
Darwinism. Nearly everything Americans were
Too
told
far.
about the Oran. Associates who once believed him now insist that what he found was just a vaguely boat-shaped mound of dirt, and they're
Red light,
angry
run.
that his videos depict them as if, not surprisingly, they're both constantly quoted by creationists. Maybe Xerxes
stop.
and others wanted Academy of Sciences, then only about 7% are believers. It's almost the opposite of the laity.
Are you
It
gonna
seems that
go?
among
I guess
collective
not.
Atheists who are recognized for their scholarship in any field, there is a predominant.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is a construction zone and there are signs everywhere that say no trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real. And we're in the rain. We're singing in the rain. Yay! Okay. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media. Like and comment. Do all that stuff. And tune in next time for more videos. Yay! Okay, bye.